This Lighthouse Realty property video is presented by Jeremy Glenn. This 4-bedroom, 1.5-bath home offers 1,404 finished square feet on a half-acre corner lot in Kaleva. Built in 1971, it includes thoughtful accessibility features such as a walk-in shower and ramp access at the back door to enhance convenience and comfort. A detached 2-car garage provides ample space for vehicles, storage, or projects. Outside, the spacious yard offers plenty of room for gardening, outdoor entertaining, and recreation. Well maintained and full of potential, this home combines comfortable living with flexible space inside and out. Schedule your private showing today and discover all it has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeremy Glenn at 231-398-3800.